Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to set up and save custom dimensions in Snappa. Start by logging into your Snappa account. From the dashboard, navigate to custom graphic size. The option is usually visible on the top left corner of the screen. Here, enter the desired dimensions. Once you have entered the desired width and height, you can save the dimension. Click on Create. Now save the design and make a new folder for your custom dimension and click on Save. Now in the Minute tab in the saved graphics, you can see the custom dimension. The next time you create a design, look for this section. Here you should find the custom dimension you previously saved, making it easy to select and start new project with them. By following these steps, you can streamline your workflow by setting up and saving frequently used dimension in Snappa. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.